Oh, hello everyone. My name is Calvin Orr. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm currently watching the video I made just earlier today. Make sure to tune in and watch that. And here's a little recap on it. Anyways, I am planning to meet up with some buddies to go to Clear Lake, and yeah, we're all gonna have some fun, and I don't know. We'll just see what we do.
Stuff.
Anyways, I'm meeting some of the boys at the apartment, so we'll try to devise a plan and yeah, head to Clear Lake.
Clear the lake. It's full of feces.
We are here. Yo, boys, you ready to go? This is my boy George. George,
Hey.
say what's up to the
Hey,
camera,
what
bro.
up, gangsters? Hey.
Hey, Taylor, say hi to the camera, bro.
What's good, gang?
Tucker, this is for YouTube, bro. It's for YouTube. Yo, we all going to Clear Lake?
Yeah, we're gonna have a fun time, you know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Jess, you going to Clear Lake? All right, we're gonna have a good time. We're just risen up some girls up back there.
Hey, baby girl!
He's risen up some grandmas, bro.
Smash.
Boys are standing this all the way. We got here. We got a bogey. And what's the race? V5 power, baby. We're at the dealership.
Specific license. That tells
40
you
Chevy.
the driver, maybe.
No,
Sheesh.
I should have bought one.
God dang.
Yeah. Do you regret it? Kind of.
It's this
It's a beautiful
white
display.
truck up here.
Oh, this one.
No, not this one. This one.
Oh, it's sick, bro.
That one?
This
Yeah,
one right
that
here.
one. 2008.
Stop.
On our way to the lake. Let's go, baby. Man, it smells like a freaking sewer in here, bro. Not good. This is pure meditation out here, bro. It's relaxing. We got a good view on a dock. We're chilling. We're heading to Walmart now to blow the air horn. Yes, sir. All right, so our plan is to like message each other, whatever. So Taylor has the air horn, and George will like message me whenever he's going to like blow the horn. Yeah, I'll be like in the like pillow section. You'll like text me, and then like 5 seconds. 5 seconds after I text. Oh yeah, after he texts me, then I'll start recording. Perfect. Hey guys, what's up? Oh man, it's a nice night out tonight, huh, boys? Hey, this shit goes hard, bro.
What? Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
You know, I'll go hard.
So we're on the verge of getting kicked out, so we're just gonna leave right now
Wait,
and
yeah,
go
we're
right to
recording
Menards.
this. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go right to Menards. Never mind, we changed the plans. We're gonna do some more stuff. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, we out this hole. Keep on.
Is that Caleb?
To Target. Throw. What's poppin', homie? Dang, I wanted to do 24 hours in Target challenge. All right, I think that's enough for today.
Do it. Blow.
Well, there.
I said gone.
Oh man.
Round of applause for this older gentleman that was honking his horn with us.
I think we won.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah,
Woo! All right, we back. We are back. I'm gonna blow the air horn. Gosh. Dun 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 dun. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already for more content like this. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.